not an entrance, not an entrance, not an entrance, not an entrance.
In today's society, we are constantly being tracked and monitored by various economic and political powers. The extraction of personal data and behavior patterns is now integrated into our everyday lives, enabled by the devices and apps we depend on. These technologies are designed to be discreet and hidden, obfuscating their alternate uses in the lengthy privacy policies in small print that come with them. Uncomfortable fact of their agenda from the public: to gain highly valuable predictive data. The rapid development and implementation of urban technologies and robotics, including surveillance capabilities, outpace our ability to regulate and constrain their uses. This leaves room for potential misuse and unintended consequences. Discrimination and exclusion in their use and accessibility is an unnerving topic to think about. The use of these technologies in unethical ways to exert power and control over minorities and the general public is a risk we must face in today's society. These technologies are forced into our lives through convenience, and there's practically no way to fully opt out. How can we face this reality and bring about an open discussion through design research and art practices? This project uses an infrared sensor to detect the location of a human body in space and uses a custom algorithm to target it in real time with a robotically controlled laser measure. This freestanding kinetic sculpture also acts as a participant in an artistic performance between man and machine. Once a presence is detected in range of the infrared camera, the robotic sentinel acts autonomously and aims the laser dot onto the chest of the first presence detected. Once targeted, the performative aspect comes from the act of evasion and deterrence as the person moves their body to try and avoid the red laser. With the current COVID-19 pandemic, the symbolism of the laser is twofold. On hand it brings to mind the laser sights of a police handgun, and on the other a thermostat used to check travelers at checkpoints. People may know they are being tracked, but with the state of surveillance they can now actually see and engage with these hidden infrastructures of control. The technical exploration of designing with these technologies reveals their inner workings, which are ultimately shown in the sculpture's aesthetic. Through this design research, new embodied perceptions and experiences can be discovered which help raise a curiosity on who is really in control of the technology. How does this actually work, and are there ways to trick it? The use of architecture, performance, and various technologies are used to conceptualize an abstract side conceptual and physical engagement. Located within the act of projection, the limits of the interface, and the extents of the body, the design intervention is a bricolage of different mediums. The tensions and synchronicities between the physical body, personal data, and autonomy are all brought to the forefront through the kinematics of the sculpture with its ability to scan, locate, and track people.